Hi everybody, I'm Blair with 9B4M The Family. I just wanted to let everybody know how I was doing, make sure everybody was aware. I'm doing really good, feeling better. As you saw in our last video, I wasn't feeling so well, so I had to go get checked out by the hospital. Please go check that video out to see how everything went. Since that video, I've been just trying to rest, make sure I get all the rest that I need in preparation for the twins and their birth. I've also been working on getting the last couple of items that I need for them since, yeah, once they get here, I won't have time to go running out and get anything. Part of the things that I do to help myself get ready for the twins is getting as much sleep as I can right now. So when I go to work, I come home in afternoons, I take a nap. My naps are starting to get really long. So now I have to set alarms and stuff to make sure I wake up in time to help with like the kids' homework and other things before I go to bed for real at night. But still looking forward to everything, still looking forward to the transition to the twins and having them and getting to see them here. Still sounds like a lot of fun. So recently I made some purchases. So far I've purchased 2 bassinets, a changing table. I just also picked out some new swaddles for the babies. Really excited about that since I've never used the muslin swaddles. I usually use flannel swaddles, but since these babies are going to be born in the summer, I need something a little bit lighter that I'll be able to breathe. And there's Peppa. Come here, Peppa. Come here. I got her. I got her. No, I got her. Yay. Bye. So Peppa decided to join us in the video. She got clipped the other day. She's so cute. Full poodle. But yeah, so back to the swaddles. So yeah, normally I get flannel swaddles, but because all the other babies were born in the winter months, but that's too hot for right now. I did order a little bit, but not a lot. So instead I ordered some muslin swaddles and some other things to go with it. So let's see what's in the box. I ordered from Aden Anais. I think that's how you say the name. I've always seen their products for like muslin swaddles and everything, but I hadn't bought them before. This time I decided to go with gift boxes because they were cheaper than what I was going to purchase. So, and there'll also be like a mixture of things and not just swaddles. So it's really pretty on the inside. This is meant to be like a gift for like a shower or something. So, have it opening. Ooh. It opens, there's 3 swaddles. These have birds, monkeys, and giraffes on them. It's cute. It's cute. And then we have, so it came with 3 swaddles. Two bibs. Bibs are giant. Something to grow into. 2 burp cloths. Oh, and a blanket. And I thought this would be a good purchase since the material is light and breathable. I like it. It's cute. So it's a little like bluish gray monkey on it. It's really cute. Let's see what's in the other one. The other one also has 3 swaddles. This one was more like girl themed, so everything's like flowers and birds and pink. So 3 swaddles again, 2 bibs, some pretty flowers, 2 burp cloths, and a blanket. So here's one side of the blanket. I think this is like a king sparrow or something. I think that's really cute. And then on the other side, we have some pink flowers. The pink flowers match a bib and a burp cloth. What I really like about the burp cloths that I'm seeing is that they're sizable. Typically you see burp cloths and they're really small, and so instead you usually end up with all the spit up and everything on you instead of the burp cloth. But these should catch a lot, so that's good. So this is my 5th pregnancy, my first pregnancy with twins. I've had 4 singletons, a girl and 3 boys. If you have any questions that you'd like to know about my opinion for expectant moms or new moms, please let me know down in the comments below. I'd love to answer some questions. So up next for us, my mom is going to be here in a couple more weeks, so we have to get ready for her, prep her room, get everything situated for her, figure out the last arrangements for where everything's going to be organized and how do we want it organized. I still have to pick up a couple more items, just small items at this point, and make sure I have my hospital bag packed. Thank you everyone for all the well wishes while I wasn't feeling so well in the hospital. I really appreciate that. If you have any more questions for me, any other comments for me, I love taking the time to read those. Those are great encouragement to me.